Here's one of our new hot listings, Frolic. Shoppers. It's a 38-foot lagoon. 4-cabin, 2 heads. Boat was damaged. The keels were repaired. The mast is, as you can see, there's no mast, but the boat's in pretty good condition, as you can see. Sought after line and model, nice cruising. Just give a round around the outside, and then we'll hop on the inside. There's a dinghy in the back. Now there's a little bit of work, some fiberglass, just minor stuff, and around the hatches. About a little TLC, and Frolic's really ready to roll here. Around the windows, a little bit more work. Hopping on. There. This hatch sheet could easily be replaced. We have tons of them in our inventory if need be. Railings intact. The other side though is missing it, so that's something that you guys would have to do. Crack, but it's repaired a little bit, but easily replaced. That's not new. There's another dinghy. Step out. There's another hatch. Taped down. Needs to be fixed. Winches. Green C-120. Left on the throttle. Going inside. Well, here's the back. Trailing cable. Back to, as you can see, I'm moving inside. Nice, spacious. There's the controls. Nice open kitchen here. Easy for entertaining. Little oven, 3-burner gas. Cushions could be, the back ones are fine. There's 2 that need to be, well, this one looks like it just needs to be pulled over, but it could be fixed. Table, let's go down. On the floor, it's been pulled up. Just that's where they had some repairs done, but here's one of the cabins. Nice big, could be, it's a borderline king, big queen king, with a walk-in closet. Lots of space. Over. Here's a pretty spacious head. And then going into the next cabin, good sized double. part of the floor was lifted up. This vessel, all electronics work. It's fully repaired. Just doesn't have a mast. Heading down on this side, as you can see, floor is fine. Another good sized double. Little dust space. Moving on to the other head. You know, this boat's relatively clean. Wouldn't take much. It's not musty smelling or anything. Another big queen here. With, you know, big closet. Your hatch. Great boat and a great price, so someone's definitely going to get lucky with this, and motivated seller. So if anyone needs any more details, contact myself at Harbor Shoppers, RJ, and we'll go from there. So this boat could be yours.